A nation of sovereigns. The royal priest identity of Israel from Exodus to Revelation. Shalom, family. Today we're dealing with a revelation that rises naturally out of our metaphysical teachings on biblical names. When you study the vibration of names, their identity, their function, their authority, you begin to see a pattern running through Scripture. And that pattern is sovereignty. Exodus 19:6, Revelation 1:5 through 6, and Revelation 5:10 all declare the same truth. Israel is a nation of sovereigns, a kingdom of priests, a people carrying royal authority and priestly access at the same time. Let's start with Exodus 19:6. This is the original covenant charter. God tells Israel, "You shall be to me a kingdom of priests and a holy nation." That is not metaphor. That is not poetry. That is not symbolic language. That is national identity. A kingdom means royal authority. Priest means spiritual access. Holy nation means set apart governance. Exodus 19:6 is God forming a nation of sovereigns. People who carry both crown and altar. Now let's move to Revelation 1:5 through 6. This is the restoration of that identity. The text says Christ has made us a kingdom and priest to his God. Not will make, not might make, not someday, has made. Completed action. The sovereign identity is already restored. The royal priest identity is already active. The covenant status is already in effect. Revelation 1:6 is the new covenant echo of Exodus 19:6. The same identity restored through Messiah. Now Revelation 5:10 expands the mandate. It says, "You have made them a kingdom and priests, and they will reign on the earth." This is explicit sovereignty. Kingdom means rule. Priest means access. Reign means governance. Revelation 5:10 is not symbolic language. It is administrative authority. It is the activation of the sovereign identity declared in Exodus. It is the expansion of the royal priest identity restored in Revelation 1. It is the full manifestation of Israel as a nation of sovereigns. So how does this connect to our metaphysical teachings on biblical names? because names carry identity. Identity carries function. Function carries authority. And authority carries sovereignty. When we teach the metaphysical meaning of biblical names in real hoodoo, names like Asher, Gad, Joseph, Isaac, Jabez, we are teaching the vibrations of increase, abundance, expansion, and divine authority. These names are not random. They are sovereign frequencies. They are royal priest vibration. They are the metaphysical keys of covenant identity. Enoch represents ascension. Asher represents prosperity. Gad represents fortune. Joseph represents increase. Isaac represents joy, blessing. Jabez represents territory expansion. These names reveal the sovereign identity encoded in Scripture. They reveal the royal priest vibration running through the covenant. They reveal the metaphysical truth that Israel is not just a people. Israel is a nation of sovereigns. So the clean message is this. Exodus forms a sovereign identity. Revelation restores the sovereign identity. Revelation activates the sovereign identity. And the metaphysical meaning of biblical names reveals the sovereign identity. Israel is a kingdom of priests. Israel is a royal priest nation. Israel is a nation of sovereigns. This is the covenant identity. This is the metaphysical identity. This is the real hoodoo identity. Shalom.